Hey everyone, today we're looking at a 2018 Harley Davidson Street Glide Special. This is the 115th anniversary edition and it is in blue denim. Beautiful logo up on the front fairing. We've got the blacked out engine with the Screamin' Eagle intake. Really pretty cover. We have the same graphic over on the rider side saddlebag. The Don't Tread on Me derby cover, heel toe shifter with the anodized black levers right there. It's a really awesome look. The Harley Davidson seat, super comfortable. Nice little logo on the center of the tank as well. We've got some Sirius XM on this bike, and miles are 23,364. Again, 2018 115th anniversary edition Street Glide Special. Come check it out. We are open for test rides 6 days a week.